Hey guys, so last night I had posted a poll whether you guys wanted to see a get ready with me video today or a spooky or fun spooky video. I don't know, I have an old video I wanted to post, and if you guys wanted to see it during Vlogmas, then great. If not, I'll probably just post it another day or never. As you can tell by the title of this video, the get ready with me won. So I just woke up about, I don't know, an hour ago, and I'm finally awake enough to record a video for you guys, so here we go. I'm not even really going anywhere. Like, I might just go out to Ulta just for the mere fact that I made myself presentable for the world. Well, after a nice long shower, time to get dressed and do my face. I got this shirt, the OK Bye shirt, for only $5 at Ross. Great deal, fits great, also has a hood. What is their slogan? Dress for less, hashtag non-spam. So now for the actual products I use on my face. I guess we'll start with the skincare. Ta-da! So I usually put this on a cotton ball and I rub it all over my face, and it's supposed to clarify your skin or tone your skin, make it the same color, but honestly I have, maybe there's a difference, but I'm just not noticing it. This next product is the IzzyVidsToo Clear Skin Acne Daily Repair Treatment. And I accidentally bought it because I thought it was a different product, which you'll see later. I put this on every morning after I put on my toner. This is the product I thought I was buying, was the IzzyVidsToo Clear Skin Daily Moisturizer. And the bottles just look so similar. It's like, obviously the colors are switched. It was the only one on the shelf. So I was like, oh, there it is, let me buy it. But I thought it was this. Compared to other moisturizers I use, it doesn't leave my skin feeling sticky. The next thing I have, it's supposed to be put on at night, but I end up using it in the morning more often because I'll forget to put it on at night. And that is my Curology solution. It's like a cream. If you have not heard of Curology, it's like online dermatologists who send them photos, and then they come up with a solution that's like, oh, because you have certain acne in certain places and certain sizes, they're like, oh, we should put 1% of this into your cream and 8% of that and 0.25 of that. And I'm like, okay, yeah, whatever you say. This has really helped because like over 2 years ago, I didn't have this and the acne around my mouth was always getting really, really bad. I took a chance, tried this, and obviously 2 years later, I still have it. If you guys really want to see a full transformation with this, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll put like a transformation video from like 2 years ago to today if you really want to know. So finally on to my makeup and this beautiful Vera Bradley bag. And this is getting very annoying, so I might as well take this down since I'm doing my makeup now. This makeup routine that I'm doing is just going to be a basic one that I would do every day. I am taking this, it's very dirty because I think something broke, because I have a lid, and the lid, as you can see, is very dirty because I don't know why. And the bottle itself is very dirty. So I am using the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation in the color 250. It's this new foundation I got in the mail for free, so I might as well try it out. Squirt 2 pumps of this and then put it back in its case. And I'm going to just beat it into my face. So we're gonna go on with the next product. Again, another free thing that I got in the mail. I got 3 items when I got free makeup in the mail. It was the foundation, the concealer, and a setting powder. Didn't really care for the setting powder, so I don't have it. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Antioxidant Concealer. That's a lot of concealer, but we're gonna go with it. A while ago, I started following somebody named Jessie Smiles, and she had talked about this powder and how much she uses it, and that she gets it for $8, and she has to buy it like every 3 weeks because she goes through it so much. I was always thinking about it because I'm like, man, I wish I could find it. Maybe it's just a California thing. And then I went to Walmart. There with my mom and my grandma looking for Christmas gifts, and I was like, hey mom, do you think I should get this? It's the Air Spun loose face powder. Oh my god, I'm like, what? And she's like, you won't believe this, but your great-grandmother, so your grandpa's mom, used to have this product sitting on her vanity, and my mom would always see it and she remembered the smell and all the stuff, which I thought was really cute. So I was like, I have to try it now. I'm going to then pack that powder and set my concealer. To set my lid as kind of like a base. This fluffy brush that is literally about to break. And I just dabble in the left, whatever's left, and just brush it across my face very lightly. So I like to set my foundation first and then put stuff on top of that and then set everything together. So I'm using the Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray Oil Control. So this next product we're going to use is this Too Faced bronzer, and I've lost the lid, and I found it, and then I lost it again. Tap it off, and I go right on my cheekbone, and rub it in and rub it up. And then I also kind of do like right around the forehead area. I saw James Charles do this once, and I liked it, and then I just kept going with it. The Frat Boy Shadow slash Blush. I think the brand is called The Balm. Bring it forward. So where I've already created that line with the bronzer, I just bring it forward. And again, James Charles showed me to put it on my forehead, kind of like the extra on my forehead so it's not super intense. When I go on trips or if I go anywhere and I want to pack light and I bring one eyeshadow brush, this is all I bring. And then I take the bronzer and just put it into my crease. You can see all the eyebrow hairs that I need to pluck. So you can see that I just put it into my crease. I'm going to blend it out. And then I go back in and just deepen the corners. I don't only use one mascara, I use two. It's one of those situations where I accidentally bought one because I thought it was the other. I know they purposely put them two different colors because they're not the same thing, but I thought they were. I'm going to now kneel. I just kneeled on something and it really hurt. The reason why I have two is I put this one up, and while it's still wet, I use the brush of this one. And so this is the tricky part. I'm trying to do the other eye. Usually when I'm all done, I go back again with this one. Since it's a dried up brush, I go back over it when my eyelashes are dry and it helps just separate them more. Should I put a lipstick on? Probably. Hold on. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I honestly don't know what to do else with the get ready with me because I just let my hair sit like this and then I brush it when it's dry. So, I don't feel like recording that because I need to edit this and post it today. So, I'm going to end this video here. Please hit that like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to see all the adventures with me and my friends. Comment down below on what you guys want to see next, and don't forget to follow me on all the social media. It'll be down in the description below. Just like today's video, you guys help out on picking and deciding what content you guys get to see and what is being uploaded. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.